Hi guys, what's up? This is Maya. Um, this video will be all about RingCentral, mainly on how to send a text message, how to send a fax, and how to add a contact. There will also be a tip at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. I've been using RingCentral for work, so I'm hoping I could help others learn more about it, especially those who need it for work. So let me share my screen so you could, so we can start. So this is how your RingCentral looks like. This has been downloaded into my laptop. So I have an icon here. And after you double click on it, you just log in, and this is how the app looks like, the body. So as I've mentioned, I'll be talking about how to compose a text message, how to send a fax, as well as how to add a contact. Let's start with how to add your contacts. Just click on this icon and then click on the plus sign. There you can add a picture to your contact, the first name, last name, company name, title, phone number. If you have more numbers, you can click on add phone. There is the email where you could type in your contact's email and the address. And then just click save once you're done. Next is how to compose a text. Simply clicking on this icon where it says compose text. Here you'll type in the number who you will send it to, or simply clicking on the select contact where you have them already in your contact list. And then you type in your message in the body, and also if you feel like, or if you want to add an attachment, a file, a picture, you click on attach file, and then here you just add the file or the picture. You have the option, just like any phone, emojis. And then once you're done and ready to send a message, you just click and send. Up next is how to compose a fax. So here you type in the number of the person you want to fax, and you have that option to just add right away those who are already in your contact list. And then you write the name, the company, you can put in your notes in here, and also just set proper expectations if you're going to attach your file. Just click in here. It's now you can see here you have the option to send later or send now. The good thing or the cool thing about sending later, you don't want to forget. I mean, if there is a desired or a specific time and date that you need to send the fax, you don't need to like you can prepare for it ahead of time, so you can just choose the month over here, and then the date you need it sent to, and then the time, morning or afternoon. And then just click on schedule send. Or you can do send now, so it'll send right away. So that's just about it, guys. These are the features of RingCentral that I want to discuss further, because these are the things that are usually being used. And I hope I was able to help you out. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me, and I'll answer them on my next video. If you think this has been helpful, please subscribe, like, or comment. Again, this is Maya. Have a good day.